Mm-hmm. Good morning, Outcast. Has anyone told you you look a lot like Lando Norris? Yeah, I look identical to Lando. I get that every day. We are building the bot that does this. And theoretically, I should be able to request a song too. So if I take this, grab a link, and then I redeem request song. Yep. And then if I do Q, there we go. And I should be able to get a, there it is. We also have a REST API, which is, you can see that hitting over there. So everything's running. That's excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Can I look over the last 24 hours? So it's pretty steady. Okay, great. Wow, that's awesome. I actually didn't expect this to be running this morning. All right, so this morning, we are gonna build a UI to overlay over my Twitch stream. And we're gonna build, is this in my recents? We're basically gonna build this thing right here to overlay on top of my Twitch stream. It costs me nothing. Anything under $5 a use gets refunded for free. What up, Federico? So our queue's working, which is awesome. Oh, that's right, because we're not hitting that. Okay, so let's... Man, I'm impressed that this is still running. I'm really excited about this. All right, so let's jump over here. And what is this upset about? Okay, sure. All right, we want to go into, let's do web. We'll do that, and let's just do a songqueue.html. If I could type. And let's go grab our design here. And we just want the normal. paste that in there. Let's throw HTML 5 template. No, I just want the boilerplate. Yeah, this is what I wanted. And then we'll go in there and put that there. And this should be Song Kwayu. Alright, and then we have, what is it, bunx serve source / web / songq. I always forget what our serve npm. On localhost 3000. So if we go to localhost 3000 and then hit song Kwayu, oh, because we're not pulling in Tailwind. Let's see if we can get that. Okay. Okay. Get started. I want from CDN. Yeah. And if we come refresh, there we go. Great. And then we should be able to do something like sorry, I'm still waking up here. We want to get the album art. Yeah, right here. This guy. In fact, we can probably grab this one. Yoink that. And then that will be, where's the currently playing? Album art. That's that. We'll come in here. We'll paste that. I don't know what that. Yeah. Let's go. It's gonna be sick. All right, let's take this and we're gonna go drop this in the Tailwind playground, and we're gonna iterate on this a little bit. Where's the playground? Right here. And turn off dark mode. Let's give ourselves some padding up top. So let's add class padding top like 5. That worked really well. Glad that worked. Or that'd be margin top. It'd be padding, right? Maybe we can't do that on the body tag. Let's do it on here then, for now. Margin top 5. Yeah, there we go. All right, we want to bump that logo over. So are we in a flex? Okay. We can probably get rid of this width and get rid of that. What do we think? Somewhere in like the 80s, maybe 80. That's too much. Let's try 64. That's about good, but it might need to be longer because of long song titles. Okay, let's start there. I don't think I want this item center is this way. I want flex. What is it? Justify between? Yeah. Or is it around? I don't think this div does anything. Okay, so it does. I'm trying to figure out what my divs are here. ML auto in here. ML auto. Alright, so we have a div there. Hold on. Why don't we just do this the easy way so I can see what I'm looking at here. Alright, we can move the SVG out a div. We can put that there. Almost. All right, we're getting closer there. Let's make this like 30 by 30. And we'll bump that up. Actually, I shouldn't have to change the view box at all, should I? If I do... That doesn't change at all. Oh, it's because I have a height and width here. Yeah. Alright, so we'll set the height and width via tailwind. H7. U7. That looks pretty good. No, we don't need the underline. So what if we get like a really long song name, right? We need to handle that. That forced that. This is gonna get overlaid over my actual Twitch stream. So this will go somewhere like, I'll actually show you in a second. In fact, we can probably just do this super quick. If we take this, I come put this in here. Throw that there. And then if we go to in here, let's just add another get. And this will be song queue component, I guess. I don't know. This is going to load a page, which if I do, should be able to serve HTML from here. Response.text. So I just need to read the file. So we get const and then we do const HTML equals file system dot read file string, and it's going to be source slash web slash song queue dot HTML. Is that what we did it? Web, yeah. And then this is going to respond with HTML, and it'll be HTML. And this needs to be yielded. Yield star. If we do that, we should be able to redeploy fly control. Oh, do I not have that in my Come on, Nix. It's going pretty well. I'm using it for just like a simple little server here, and it seems to be working well. I haven't tried this yet. I'm getting ready to deploy this and see if this works. But the REST API works. Morning, Yakins. Oh, I missed your other question, Total. Your atom works now. Are you fiddling around with the HTML? Yeah. I think I answered this. I can't remember. What is happening here? I don't know why this is taking so long. We're going to serve this from the web server, and then we're going to overlay it, like, right here, I think. Or put it up here. I don't know where we're going to put it yet, but we'll put it somewhere. Come on. I just need to deploy. Maybe I have it in this shell. No, I don't. We just gotta wait. All right, so the other thing is we need to make this interactive because it needs to basically pull the queue. And I kind of wanted to play around with doing Svelte, even though it's super tiny. I haven't used Svelte for anything ever, and I think it'd be cool to try it. I could use HTMX. We'll see. I need this to freaking finish here, though. Why is this taking so long? I guess while we're waiting, we can re-implement the keyboard raffle. I guess that would go under overlays. Yeah, I don't know what the hell's going on here. Let's see here. We want pub sub q. Let's start with the message. And we'll do, what's the name of this thing? Let's see. Viewer rewards, channel points. Bring this over here. Manage custom rewards. Keyboard raffle. So we'll come in here and we'll say keyboard raffle request. And this will have a requester display name. Should be a string. And we can come down here and we can add that, which will be here. There we go. Let's grab the did that really not do a load there? I bet it cached. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so that's our reward there. So if we go to Twitch and let's go to our config and we'll say this is going to be keyboard raffle reward ID. Do that. And then we can go back to where we were. Go to Twitch, and we got to go to our event subscribers, and yeah, we need this one. And we need on channel redemption ad reward. We're going to have to switch on event.reward ID. And oh, this is not a function body. Annoying. Come down here and we'll throw that there. Find that comma. Do that. And then we'll say switch on event.reward ID. Case is going to be config song request reward ID. We'll do that, and that's gonna go up in there, and this will break. In fact, does this return anything? I can just return that. And then the other case will be case config dot keyboard raffle reward ID, and then we'll do the same thing. Paste that there. What did I do wrong? Is it the comma? There we go. And this will be a keyboard request ID. Why did I send the event ID with that? Why would I need to send the reward ID and the event ID on the song request? Oh, for redemptions. All right, that should be good there. With Vim surround and a tree setter text object for functions, you could add a body for the function with yank surround inside find bracket. Nice, I didn't know that. All right, so we just did that. Now we have to set up a new subscriber in our pub sub. You just come in here and we'll be like keyboard raffle .ts. And let's split that out, and let's grab just a basic one here. And this will be keyboard raffle subscriber. That's not how you spell raffle. Sub. Okay. In here, we want to listen to keyboard raffle request. And then in here, we get a requester display name. Yeah. And in here, we're going to want to do that, but we're going to ignore that for the time being. Why is this upset? There we go. Okay, and we're going to want to go copy our old code that did this. So let's go grab that. That's in Gleam, glitch, source, glitch, event sub, no. Where do I do this at in here? Oh, it's not in glitch. It's in our Twitch integrations. Source, keyboard redemption. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. We're gonna, just to reduce the noise in Slack, we're gonna make this one message rather than a bunch back to back. Okay. So let's go back. So we're gonna say, let's get a winning number. So const winning number. I think there's a random package in effect. Let's see what we get with that. Can I give this bounds? Next range. Yeah, 0 and 10,000. Is that inclusive or exclusive? Oh, right, I have to run to Walgreens. Fuck. Alright. Chat, I'm gonna have to run a quick errand here in like 5 minutes. Walgreens is only like 10 minutes away, so it'll be quick. I'll throw on a YouTube video while I do that. It won't take very long. Does anyone know if this is inclusive or exclusive? I'm assuming it's inclusive. Cons rolled number. Do the same thing. If winning number equals rolled number, we'll do a Why didn't I put the emoji in? Well, we don't even need to say that. We'll just do that. And then we'll say yield star pubsub dot send dot publish, and this will be a message dot send Twitch chat. This just gets a message. Let's actually say the winning number was, and they rolled it. And then we can return and otherwise we yoink that, come down here, and we'll do a little frowny face. Rolled number. Okay. No, it shouldn't be unsaved published because we're inside of an effect. I don't think we need that even. Yeah, we're good there. Great. Then we can add that to subscribers. Sure. That seems sus right there. All right, let's get this working before I run over to Walgreens quick. Let's see here. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah, Shia. Get your ass out of here, boy. I don't want cheap viewers. My viewers are the best. My viewers are bougie and top quality. Alright, so we should be able to deploy now. Let's see here. Got added to our subscribers. That should just work. Knock on wood. So let's fly control. I don't even know my commands with fly. I want to stop my server. Machine. Fly machine. -- help. Stop. Fly machine. I guess we can just redeploy, right? Which that's gonna nuke. Every time we redeploy, it's gonna nuke our song queue because it's gonna override the JSON file. But I think that's okay. For now. We can eventually like dump it into a database if we want to, but eventually we won't be restarting this all the time. So if we do fly deploy, great. Okay, so if that worked, we added 2 features here, which is crazy that we did that so quickly. First one is that we should be able to see song queue, Quayu component, right? That should give us which, check this out. The idea with this is we should be able to come in here and then add browser. We'll call this song queue. something like this, right? Something like that. Can you guys see that? Does that look good there? Is that where we should put it? I can also like move my camera down, move chat down, put it above chat. We can put it like really anywhere. I don't know. Like we could put it up here. We can make it a little bit tinier, right? And we could put it here. We could put it over here. Something like this. I don't know, chat. Where do you think we should put it? The first spot we had it? I kind of liked it underneath my, like down here. Something like this. Like that. Okay, sick. Okay. Nice. I dig that. Okay. Next, I have to run to Walgreens, so I'm gonna throw on a quick YouTube video. This will only take me like 10 minutes to get there and back, so this won't take very long. But let's find like an actually good, a good tech video to watch. Because I will probably honestly watch it too as I drive over there. So I want it to be something I want to watch. This is so cluttered. I don't want to see Philip DeFranco everywhere. I'm getting ready to go now. Okay. I'm literally throwing on a YouTube video. Okay. We are just gonna put on, that's 8 minutes, 12 minutes. Need something a little bit longer than that in case I'm gone. We'll put on back-end banter with low-level learning. Can you guys hear? Yeah, audio levels looks good. All right, I'll be back in a couple of minutes, chat. Won't take me too long. Stick around. Okay, we're back. My headphones turned off, which must have paused the video, so sorry about that, but we are back in action. Okay. Back to what we were doing. So we deployed. We saw that we have our actual thing, which is great. Then we should also be able to, let's see here. What do we want to check? I need to re-enable this. Turn that on. So that should be there now. You want the chair back? It didn't pick it up. So that means, what happened there? Fly control logs. Aha. Route not found. Is this working at all? It is. Okay, so we get that. We aren't seeing the keyboard come up. So why would that be? So let's stop it. Fly machine stop. So we're gonna stop that machine, which now the service should be down. So if we do song, it should not work. Yeah. So yeah, it's a sound effect for redeeming that reward. So I need to run this locally to debug this. So now we need to redeem. I can kill that noise. No one else redeem it because I'm gonna have to redeem your points. And I don't know when I'll get to that. So wager points at your own risk right now. All right, so we're just not picking that up. Review. Reject all. There. Hopefully you guys got your points back there. I don't know if you did or not, but... All right, so why would this not be working? The places where this could not be working are, one, the entry point, which is under Twitch, event sub, right here. It's possible we have the wrong ID. So let's just put like a log in here. And we'll restart the server. In fact, let's add another log. Just to make sure we're here. Console.log, received, Twitch, event sub, event. And then we'll just say, yeah, that's fine. And let's run start. That looks good. And then we'll do, like this should hit that. Oh, because it's only requesting, it's only on the one. Can I send in a array there? Oh, that's so annoying. I have to do that for every one of them. Okay. Okay. That's okay. It's really annoying, but it's gonna be okay, chat. You can go in there, put that. And there's a random ass comma down here that needs to go away. Okay, so in there, and what's this return? This returns const foo equals that. What is foo? It's an event subscription. Oh, this is so annoying. Okay, this is okay. I'm using twerple. We can get rid of this, basically. This switch can go away. Delete that, delete that. Delete word there. And then we delete down to here. Yeah, and then we can delete surround that. And get rid of that. Started. So, does that mean I can ignore this third parameter? No, I need the reward, or is that a different event? One channel redemption to add. Oh, is there just a single one? Hold on, let me go back. Because maybe I was okay. You're saying that I can just get rid of this. And then the second argument's there. There we go. Nice. Saved the day. Saved the frickin' day. Some Billie Eilish. All right, let me try redeeming this one more time. Okay, we should definitely floor those numbers. Or I guess we can not floor, we can seal them. All right. This looks good. Now that we got that working, let's go back over to our pub sub handler for the keyboard. And we just want to just do math.round. Same deal here. Next int between. They've thought of everything. Cheers, stream. All right, so let's see. We should be able to do song. Fly logs. Fly machine start. Has been started. Fly logs. All right, that should all be good. Boom. There we go, chat. I should probably add logs for that. Info, and then we'll just log the message. Do the same thing down here. Okay, that looks good. That way I have history of like if there was a winner and I miss it somehow. Can't you run the same process in development as listening to Twitch chat so you don't need to redeploy every change, or what am I missing? If I run one locally and I run one on Fly, the events fan out to every client, so I would effectively process everything twice, which I don't want to do. How many keyboards do I have to give away? Right now, 1. We've had this reward. We haven't had it on for a week or 2, but we've had it on before that for like 8 months, and nobody's won yet. So we have to, like, statistically, we have to be getting close to somebody winning. So I'll ship it anywhere in the world, and yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to say history of winners. Oh, that's in my log. So like if somebody wins and I just happen to miss it, I can go back in my logs and look. Should remove numbers as they are rolled, increase our odds as we spend points. You know what? I do want to decrease the, you know what? Let's make these better odds. Let's do 6,500 instead. Because I want somebody to win. So we will, the odds are now different. It is now a may the odds ever be in your favor. So this is really nice because now I have like a Twitch bot that I can just really quickly add features to. That is kind of partially the intent. Okay, this all looks good. I need to go update the... This is better. Because now we have a 1 in 6,500 chance. Right? What are the chances now? I'm just bad at numbers. What are the odds of winning this? So 1-5. I trust that math. That's easy enough for ChatGPT to do. Okay, cool. Drop the odds there. Let's turn that on. Wow, Dark Reader just got wrecked. This is so nice. All right, so next up is actually working on our little component, which should be loaded here. We should still get it, yep. So, how do we want to build this? Right now, this is living in, let's take you. We're gonna take you and put you in overlays. And then delete web. And that's gonna change our API. I don't know if I want to serve it from here. We could serve it all from Fly. We could deploy to Vercel. Maybe we do use HTMX. I kind of wanted to use Svelte. Svelte 5. I want the Svelte 5 docs. Svelte, read the docs. Can I set the...
Everybody go tell Dylan good morning.
Good morning, Winnie.
Good news, I don't have COVID.
You don't have COVID?
I don't have COVID.
Yay, Justine doesn't have COVID.
I'm just regular sick. Woo.
I bet it's a sinus infection.
Yeah, well, I just scheduled my e-visit because I had to have a COVID test before I did that. So, hopefully, that'll clear this the fuck up because I hate it. I hate it so much.
Are there not docs for Svelte 5?
Nope. Wait, Bodhi, did you go?
In the main nav.
Bodhi, come here, Bodhi.
If you go back to the preview,
You gotta come up and say hello.
Good morning, Bodie. He's not in camera. You gotta get him over more. Preview documentation. There we go. Hi, bud. Can you get down?
He's like, I just got up.
Can you get down? Good boy. All right, so introduction.
Come on.
All right, let's just try to get started here with this and just YOLO it. So, thank you for the follows. One of my coworkers is on the Svelte team, so I want to try giving it a shot here. So let's go to, what directory am I in? All right, we'll go into source and go into overlays. And then we're just gonna do npm array bun. We'll do bun create svelte at next. That didn't work. Oh, I guess I can do, this will use. Where enter for the current directory. That's some, okay. Turns out CLI tools are hard, y'all. What up, Davey? I don't know how to. Okay. All right, let's see what that gave us. So we should have overlays. Now this should be a new project. Great. We should have source, and we have this app. Great. How do we compile? All right, we should have some package JSON stuff. Build. Great. Preview. Let's just bun run preview. What's the difference between preview and dev? I don't fucking know. Yoink. Throw that on there. Wow, beautiful. Kind of assumed that would have looked nicer, but I guess not. All right, so let's add Tailwind. That's first things first. We're gonna come in here. Let's go back to the normal Tailwind docs. God damn it. Tailwind CSS. I'm about to like install a rule at my router level to never direct me there. Okay, so we should have that, and we should be able to come into routes, and we have this page.svelte. And I think Svelte does file-based routing, right? So we're gonna have to go to okay.
Hold on, I gotta find your leash.
Okay, this looks good. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a song queue. We'll write that, we'll yank that, put that in there, and we'll do that. Come in here, and we can copy the song queue HTML. Something like that, I guess. Winnie, hey, Winnie, ma'am, no barks. Hey, look. I swear to God. Sorry for the barks, chat. Yeah, we'll upgrade Tailwind here in a second. So if we go into routes, song queue, into here, paste that in. We probably need to install Mason, install Mason. Is there a Svelte? Yeah, language server. Oh, I have to go register it, right? Okay, let's do that quick. I don't know what that is. I assume it's just Svelte. I love coffee, chat. Okay, if I could get my password right. Okay, so let's hop back over here, get out of there, come in here, get back to where we were. I guess I need a tree sitter syntax too. Tree sitter, install Svelte. There it is. Yep, there we go. I have a really loud one too. I want to replace it with, I forget, Kyle sent me a good one that he likes. All right, so if we do bun dev and we go back over here, we refresh, that should be good. Now we should be able to go /song Quayu. We have to add Tailwind, right? Where does our Tailwind build go? Tailwind. So we'll build it to, is it in post CSS stuff? In source, create tailwind.css. Yeah, okay, right. And then we add that in here, right? Is there a special way to do this in Svelte? Project structure, layout, server, page, other files. CSS, I want CSS. CSS. Can I just do making it in the layouts felt? I don't have a layout though. I just need to go to normal Svelte, I think. Read the docs. Special tags. HTML. Nope. Legend. Thank you. Okay, so that's added there. And then in our tailwind config, we go here and we say content will be /source/star/star, and that'll be HTML, JS, Svelte, TS. Okay. So we go up here and we make a plus layout dot svelte, and we just dump that in. Or that's under routes. And then this just will be app.css. Still not right. I shouldn't need to, right? Importing that should be fine. In the config, oh. You named the file, I renamed it. Right, yeah, yeah. So back in the config, I screwed up. You're saying this needs to be star? That seems fine. That seems like exactly what I have. Yeah, the V plugin. The only V plugin I needed to add was, it's already in here. So if we come back, we should see on the elements the CSS being added. So that looks like it's there, but it didn't actually compile. Oh, did I miss the post CSS? Yeah. Thank you, Eric. It doesn't say I need a post CSS thing here. Can I not just do like in like here in layout, can't I do style lang equals post CSS and then do /style? Something like that. There's not, but I don't know why it's not there. I ran that though. All right, there we go. Now we got the post CSS file. Fun dev. Oh. Did I not even bun install -d tailwind CSS post CSS auto prefixer? I assumed that that would have updated my thing for me. Okay. Okay, that looks good. So if we come over here now, we should be better. Yeah, there we go. Which means if I come and look at my page and we go /song queue, yeah. Excellent. Great. I mean, not quite great because this is borked and it shouldn't be, right? I copied and pasted that almost directly. So that doesn't seem right. Didn't I already do that in SongQ? Yeah, it's not in here. Maybe I didn't copy and paste this directly. I might have missed a div. I think I missed a div. Yeah, I missed the outer div. Yoink. There we go. All right, so now we should be able to like, how do I do, we have a rune. So we're gonna wanna make like a script up here. We'll say script. And we'll close that bad boy up. And in here, we're gonna wanna like do a fetch. Nope. Everything's fair game on the song request right now. Add lang.ts to the script. Cool. How do we fetch data in Svelte? Can I just fetch? Or do I need to put it in an effect? I would like to server render it, and then I'm fine with it pulling from the front end. So maybe I can just, is this async? Does this have top level async in here? Let me just say let data equals fetch, and we need the endpoint for you. Copy. If we go here, I have song queue. We want that. So we can come in here and we can say, we can do export function load, and we don't need any params. Oops. I'm already in. Oh, that's weird. Okay, plus page.ts. Export function load. Okay, doing that. And then we just we'll const data equals fetch. This can be async, right? We need that URL again. Copy, paste you in /song. I might skip this song. It's a little heavy, y'all. All right, and then we should be able to come in here and just do this res.json. Sure, I don't care. We should update that command to say who requested it. Thank you, Ender. Okay, so this should just be a, this ends up being type data. I don't even know what to call it. Sure. It's going to be data is a read-only array of Q items, I think. So I'm just going to say this is data, and it's going to be fine. Yeah. Okay, and then we can return, we want to get currently playing. This is going to be the top of the queue. So it'll be data.at0. And then const next up is data.at1. Sure. And we'll return that. Currently playing and next up. I think option is wrong. Well, it's going to come across the wire. Requester display name will come across the wire as like tag, like option. Like it's going to come across as that struct. Unless it serializes. Does option serialize itself to null or undefined? Well, we'll see what we get. All right, let me go back to the Svelte docs. We don't need this page. Loading data. Before a page shell components containing layout component can be rendered, we often need some data. Yeah, we got that. Ah. So we can come in here. That's kind of nifty. If we go, let me close this page on the right. We don't need that or that. So we can come into here and we can apparently do this. Lang equals TS. Do I need to generate my types? That doesn't feel like it's working. Oh, I forgot to put this in the other one. I think I need that. Let's go back now. Use TS import instead of JS doc. What is TS import? Oh, so you're saying like, wait, how do I do this for TypeScript? I'm now confused. Thank you. How do I do this? Bun, run, build. Okay. I don't even see the dot svelte stuff. Like, they're not there, are they? Like, it's in the root. I don't even see it in the root. Right? Like, I'm not crazy. Here's the root. Right. There it is. Why wouldn't it show up in here? Oh, it is. Spell kit. Dot spell kit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it feels like it's happy now. Which I don't need this thing anymore. And I can go here. And for lang TS, I can just do this. Yeah, okay, cool. So then I can use that data in my component and we can be like, change and tag, and this can be data dot currently playing dot track dot name. And then in here we can do data dot currently playing dot well, what the fuck? Data dot currently playing dot track dot artists. Oh, that's not a track item, by the way. That is going to be whoops, we have to go, whoops, here. This is just a track, not a track item. Okay. I'm very React brain too. This is the first, I used HTMX a bit. We need to keep this in dev, I guess. Yeah, dot map, and then this will be name, and we do this, and it'll be name, and then we just dot join that with that. Do you think this just works? Because in here I can do like, all right, this one's too heavy skipping, sorry. So this is spell kit. Old versus new. How do I do conditionals? All right, we're still in spell kit. I need the spell docs. I just need the normal docs. Svelte. Docs, special elements, Svelte option head, component, directives, special tags, HTML debug, logic blocks, if. There we go. So we'll come in here and it's just going to be if, and then if data dot currently playing dot requester display name does not equal undefined. Oh, that's an option though. So you can technically do like if option is sum, which will be data dot currently playing dot requester dot display name. Why did that put like an extra dot in there? This is really dumb. So is this going to be smart enough to narrow this? I bet it's not. Well, maybe it is. I shouldn't say that. It did narrow it. Okay. Neato. Data dot currently playing dot requested display name dot value. Okay. Theoretically, that should be working. Hey, hey, look at that. That kind of just worked. So now let's SvelteKit is like the Next.js of Svelte. So now we can come in here and we can this can just be change around that. It adds server capabilities to Svelte. Next.js adds server capabilities to track dot. Hey, check that out. I want to do one more thing, a couple more things here. There's ways to do masks. I want to turn it into a circle. I want to do how Ryan does it, where it's like a spinning disc. Let's go look at his. Ryan Winchester. Streamer bot. We're literally going to copy this. Rounded full. Animate, spin, slow. It doesn't feel like the animate's working. Do I have to rebuild? Oh. That still doesn't feel like it's working. Where did I open his thing at? Where did that go? Animate, spin, slow. Either way, Tailwind should have some animate stuff. Animate spin. Yeah, that's way too fast. That's why you did custom CSS. You didn't. Wait a second. You didn't put it over here. Get out of my face. Hey, Macarena. Who requested this? And that goes in my Tailwind config. And that goes under extend. Nailed it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You guys are so funny. You guys are the funniest people I know. Hell yeah. All right, I want to make the music icon a little bit bigger. All right, where are our divs at in this thing? All right, so we want to make the width of the outer container. Do we set a width? We don't. So I want to come down to this guy, and I should be able to make it bigger if we do that. Yeah, that got bigger. Great, let's keep going. Age, I don't know, 12. Why are we capped at this width? Width 72. That's why we capped. Do we have a 72? Do we have an 80? Yeah, let's do 80. And then I'm just gonna edit over here for a second. So that's gonna be the gap right here. So if we get rid of this gap, that should condense it down. And then this is going to have padding, I guess padding right. In fact, we can just do it on this one. This will be padding left 4. That should space over that again. And then the music icon, we can give some padding to the left. And we'll say padding left like 2. And then we still have this outer gap there. Do we have a gap somewhere else in here? Where does that padding come from? What is it, like align self? Justify self. And was it end? Flex end? No, that didn't even do anything. Self. Align self, flex, end. Okay, so that's doing a thing. Where's that padding coming from? Flex P2. There's a P2 somewhere. Padding left, and then padding Y2. That still didn't do what I expected. Wait, where should I put that? Morning, Wiro. Technically, ML Auto should work. In here. What the fuck? Okay, what the hell did I break? Oh, there it is. LOL. You're saying if I come in here and I put ML auto. Okay. Why didn't that work? Wait, now I'm confused. Ah, yeah. That's the div I needed on. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Time Master, I'm getting to your question. 1 second. I'm a full stack web developer. I was looking to build side projects to earn more money. I came up with the idea of building a website for a restaurant in my town that currently has a terrible website. I just don't know how to approach them and see what they say, or just build the website and present in the end. I would do the latter, like build out the website and then show them. And then if they like it, you can charge them for it. Some Witcher. Let's go. Okay. So now, I wish I could make this a little bit shorter. It's 320. What if we change this to like 300 pixels? Actually, that should work now that you say that. But I also wanted to just work. Um, Okay, I like this. This looks good. So now we need to set up showing what's going to play next. Oh my god. I swear to God, chat. Okay, how do we cycle data now in SvelteKit? Okay. Do I just set up an effect now? Is that what I do? Yeah, I think I just need to go and write a effect that refetches the data. Where are my runes at? Svelte 5 preview. No, that's not what I wanted. We want runes, and then we want effect. In fact, we should, okay, so we can come in here and we can be like, let currently playing equals state. And this will be data.currently playing. Oh, I can't. Okay. I guess I don't need. Can I just do this? And then I can reference my currently playing down here, and we'll always have it. We can say let currently playing loaded, I guess. Now that should narrow it. And then we just need to make a we make an effect, and the effect is a thunk. And here we're just gonna refetch our data, which we can come here and just do this. Paste that in there, and then this doesn't need to do that. This can be async. Can I now make an effect async? Okay, that's weird. I guess that's just like React though, right? So we can just do function fetch data, and we'll just do that. Throw that in there. Async. And then we can do, oh, that doesn't come from here. That comes from, sure. I don't even need this state. What's wrong with this? Top level return cannot be used inside. Is it this the problem? Sure. We'll add like some. There we go. All right, so now we want this effect, and we are going to do, we're just going to do set interval, and then like every fetch data, I don't know, every 5 seconds. And then does this have a cleanup? Yeah, okay. Okay. So theoretically, well, that's a typo. One second, chat. Okay. Hmm. So you're saying that I can do in here, I can come in and just say on mount. Yeah. And then in on mount, that takes a callback. And in here, we can say const interval equals set interval. And then we call invalidate. And it'll be from, I have to invalidate the whole path. So go back. And then that takes, I guess 1,000. We can do it every second. I mean, that's probably fine. I'll do it every 5 seconds. Know your path in the app? Oh. Okay. And then we just return our cleanup function. Just clear interval. So we're saying this should work. So we're playing Bad Religion right now, right? That should be right. And now if we go on the next song, we should see this change in 5 seconds. But it's not. Oh, it's a cores issue. Okay, so we can fix that pretty easily, probably. How do I do that? I mean, I can just go into my server and do this and just allow cores to be anything. Let's do that real quick. There has to be a way to configure. Yeah, I'm enabling cores on the server. How do I move the logic to the server in Svelte? Source overlays. Routes page dot server dot svelte. And that's all I have to do. Oh, right. Okay, what else do we have to change now? Instead of page load, I think it's page load server. That looks like it just changed. Oh, I also saved stuff. Svelte kit. I want to get this working. Page server load. So this should be working, right? Shouldn't this be refetching? Why isn't that updating? Okay, that looked like it's good. Now let's change the song. Boom. Although it didn't change this bit. It didn't change the song name. Did we all see that? Ah, because that's not reactive. That will be. So we can get rid of this. We'll just do data. All right, one more time. Boom. What a song to go out on. All right, so next time we stream, may or may not be tonight, maybe this weekend. I don't know, depending on what my schedule gets up to. But we're going to have this go from now playing to next up. And yeah. That was really easy to do once I figured it out. Because technically I could come in here now and we could do this. And I could be like, Well, like compared to like React and stuff, I'm liking what Svelte brings to the table complexity wise. Learning new things is always trial and error like that. All right, so that should be on my stream now. Let me go look. I really gotta wrap up. Oh boy. Switch. All right, let's find someone to raid, y'all. We got this working. I'm very pleased about that. There is like nobody streaming right now. Let's go check. I don't want to do any. Maybe this guy. Yeah, we'll raid this person. All right, y'all. Go show this person some love. I will be back at some point. I don't know when I'll stream again. Monday at the latest, but I might do a stream tonight, maybe this weekend, depending on my schedule and how Justine's feeling. But yeah, peace.